In this video, you'll learn how to design and arrange the visuals in your videos using scenes. We'll start with the basics of adding a scene and a layout, then show you how to customize the layout, and then review a few extra ways to add scenes in your video. Let's get started. To add a scene, highlight a section of your script where you want the visuals to change. Click Add Scene and choose a layout based on the type of scene you want to create. Maybe you want to show B-roll or a screen recording, a title scene, or a zoom in. When you add a scene, Descript automatically arranges the visuals so that your video has a professional design. The fastest way to give your video a consistent look with the same colors and fonts is to use a layout pack. That way, no matter what type of scene you add, the styling will be the same. And layouts can always be adjusted however you want, right in the scene editor. You can move, resize, and fully customize all the visual layers in the scene. Some layouts have placeholder layers, which you can swap out with stock media or your own visuals. And of course, you can also simply drag your own visuals directly into the scene editor. If you're on one of Descript's paid plans, you can save your completed layout and create complete layout packs to use in future projects. And if you're on a business or enterprise plan, you can share custom layout packs with your team. There are two other useful ways to add scenes to your project. First, when you find a spot you want to add a new scene, just type a slash in your script. Second, and this is a bit different, let's type 2 slashes. This will add a blank scene with a silent gap in our script. You can make it shorter or longer down in the timeline. Adding a scene this way can be useful when you want a title or chapter scene, or when you want to show visuals with just music or sound effects. Let's play back a finished example of the video. Notice when you apply a layout, Descript automatically adds smart transitions, which gracefully animate the visual elements as they move from one scene to the next.
Hey Sam, Derek here, and I want to share 3 reasons why you guys at Think should start using Descript to create custom outreach videos for your prospective customers. First up, text-based editing. With Descript, editing video is as...
You can customize or remove the transitions here, and you can enable or disable automatic smart transitions in your settings. And there you have it. Let's review what we've covered. You've learned how to add a scene with a layout for the type of scene you want to create, how to customize the design in the scene editor and save layouts for future use, other ways you can add scenes to your video, and how Descript applies smart transitions to smoothly animate your visuals from one scene to the next. Ready to transform your ideas into professionally designed videos? Now you know exactly how to make it happen. Go ahead and try out scenes in your own project today.